Good morning, dear children. Children, today is Tuesday and it's time for your GK class. So, I would request each one of you to take out your GK book and keep a pencil with you and be prepared to take up your GK lessons. Children, in our last session, we had learned about a lot of underwater animals. So today in this session we are going to start a new topic, that is a chirpy home, given on page number 22. First, understand what is the meaning of chirpy. Chirpy means lively, cheerful or happy. So here chirpy is used for home. So you will be told about that place or that home which is lively, cheerful and happy. So here in this chapter you are going to learn about those birds who interestingly make their home beautiful and amazing. Okay, so let us read what is given in your chapter. At the top of the page, you can clearly identify this creature. It is Noi. So what it is saying? A nest is a place where birds live and lay their eggs. So you already know that birds make nest and its nest is their home. They live there with their little ones and they also lay their eggs there. Let us read about some of the interesting birds nests of the world. So here in this particular chapter you are going to learn about a few birds who make some of the interesting nests of the world. Okay, so the first bird in line is hammerkop. Okay, so this hammerkop bird is specially a species of pelicans or the sioux, which are mainly found in the country Africa or some parts of Arabia or Madagascar. Okay, so let us read what is given in your book. The hammerkop builds a huge nest of sticks. Its nest is dome shaped with an entrance on the side and a narrow tunnel. So hammerkop builds a big nest with the help of sticks collected from various places or branches or the trees, and the shape of its nest is a dome. Its nest is of a dome shape, and this bird makes its entrance in the nest from the sides like a narrow tunnel. I would like to first show you the bird. This is the bird hammerkop and how it makes its nest. It makes its nest like this. See, you can see over here, it's a huge dome shaped nest and it is the side view of the nest where, see, you can see a hole over here. It makes its entrance from here only, from its sides. Okay, like a narrow tunnel. Okay, so let us read about another bird, that is the bald eagle. The bald eagle is mainly found in North America, Canada, Alaska, and these birds are mainly found near open water or muddy land. Okay, so let us read what is given in your book. The bald eagle builds a huge nest. it builds its nest on the highest branch of a large tree. So this bald eagle, again, it builds a very big nest. And where does it make its nest? On the top branch of the tree. Okay, I would like to show you first the image of a bald eagle. This is a bald eagle. Okay, and how does its nest look like? Its nest look like this. Here it is mentioned in your book that it makes a huge nest, and you can clearly see over here that this nest is a big one. Okay, and the special feature of this bird is it makes its nest on the top branch of the tree. Okay, children, let us read about the next bird in line, that is the hummingbirds. Okay, so the hummingbird's nest is a tiny cup made up of plants, spider webs and moss. You must be knowing that the smallest bird found on earth is hummingbirds, and they are the most beautiful, one of the most beautiful small bird found on earth. So how they make their nest? The shape of their nest is like a tiny cup. Okay, and mainly it is made up of plants, spider webs and mosses. So these birds are mainly found in America. Okay, I will show you. These are the beautiful birds. They are of different colors and they are very tiny in size. Okay, and I will show you how they make their nest. They make their nest like this. You can see this nest is of a size of a tiny cup. Okay, so this hummingbird makes their nest of a cup size. Okay, children, and these birds themselves are the tiniest one. Okay, let us move to the last bird, that is the tailor bird. The tailor bird, as the name is suggesting, it seems that this bird itself do something which resembles the work of a tailor. Okay, so let us read about it. The tailor bird makes its nest by stitching. Okay, so what is the work of a tailor? It stitches a cloth, and this bird also good at stitching. So by stitching large leaves with silk thread, plant fibers or stolen household thread. Okay, so this bird is a stealer, I guess. So this tailor bird works like a pro. This bird is very good at stitching, and this ability of it is used in making nests. This birds use its ability for making beautiful nest by stitching large leaves with silk thread, plant fibers or stolen household thread. Okay, I will show you how they make their nest. Okay, this is your tailor bird, and you can clearly see over here that this bird has used a leaf to make its nest, and this bird stitches the two sides of a large leaf with the help of what? Silk thread, or using a plant fiber or fibers from the plant, or it is also a stealer, so it can steal thread from houses or lying on the terraces or some from many places. Okay, so it makes beautiful nest by stitching large leaves. See, it is very beautiful. Okay children, so by this you all come to know that these birds have the beautiful ability to build some amazing nests of the world. Okay, so at last, quick quiz is given for you. We will solve this quiz during our class when we discuss the chapter. Okay, thank you so much children.